Eagles of Ateneo de Manila University at 6-1 in the standings, looking to maintain that solo lead at the second spot in the standings as they take on one of the powerhouses. Regardless of the standings, UST will always be considered one of the more solid teams in the women's tourney, you know?
That's right. And, you know, on top of that also, I think going back to the standings, so this is the best that the Lady Eagles has, you know, been in the past years. And ang maganda nga dyan, sabi natin, regardless of the standing, UST Tigresses, when you hear the name of the team, you automatically, like, think of them as hindi lang powerhouse pero isa sa pinakamalalakas na teams na meron tayo here in
and isipin mo, you know, if you're an opposing team, matinding laban to. If you're a spectator, magandang laban na panoorin to.
Oh, that's why it will be very exciting this afternoon.
A good stop by UP that time. They get a point, but it's going to be an uphill climb for the Lady Maroons. 9 serving 16. That's Pauline Henido serving. Poor reception by Marquez, the libero of University of the East.
Now, if there's anything that's working here on the side of UP, the strong services that they've been giving UE has really helped them.
I stand corrected. That's Martinez, the libero of UE, as they get a point on the cross court by Sarina Bulan. What a good start for the Lady Warriors here, Anna, no? 17-10 as compared to, you know, the start they had against UP last week lang. And now they go up 18-10.
And if you're Coach Boy Dalesan, ito yung gusto mo makita sa team mo.
Simula pa lang, ano?
Oo, simula pa lang. Nandun na yung energy, nandun na yung intensity versus kayo yung maghahabol after and babawi kayo ng second hanggang fourth set.
I mean, think about it. 13 points lang nilabas ng UE in the first set against UP last week. And right now they're at 18. And they're holding UP at 10. Ooh, but beautiful, perfect setup job between Del Mundo and Se that time for the finish.
And you mentioned Se earlier, now gaining more confidence in her position as the center spiker. She was able to execute a good quick there.
Del Mundo serving. Better dig from Martinez that time. Del Rosario, who came in for Las Marias with the attack there. Here's Dizon. UE to the other side. Got the corner. Bulan with a point.
This down the line attack there by Bulan. That one is difficult because you know that maliit na lang yung area mo. If she had swiped her hand or angled it a bit, there's a chance na lalabas yung bola.
Mag-out, ano? And that's a point for the new entry, Karen Del Rosario of UP. They're not the Fighting Maroons for nothing, and they're putting up one here in set number 1, 12 serving 19. Ranked number 17 in scoring, si Araneta of UP.
And Del Rosario touches the net. A violation is called.
And these are the errors talaga, no, na is more, I guess you can see this more on a team like UP than any other team in the UAAP, you know?
Well, of course it happens, but maybe not as often.
No? Another poor service reception for UP. Masangkay to Nebrida. They go to the other side with Dizon. Karen Del Rosario with a hit. Chiesa Nebrida on the other side. First good rally, but that ended in a very anticlimactic fashion with the no touch on the second ball.
Look at this. Nebrida going for that attack. Del Mundo getting it. And normally, in that case, if the setter is the one who receives or digs the ball, yung utility attacker yung magsaset dapat. She will get the second ball.
(21-12), set number 1. Masangkay, off to Nebrida. Better digging by Araneta of UP. Speaking of digging, nice one from Dizon. And UP wins a hard-fought point.
The Lady Maroons now going to work. Look at this block. And of course also utilizing their height. That block courtesy of Se.
Steep serve from Se. With a little help from the net, they get an easy point. That's probably the easiest point they'll get all afternoon.
And if you're the receiver on the other side, yung mga bolang sumasabit sa net, those are the balls na minsan mas lalo pang humihirap i-receive because it gets redirected.
Yeah, that's true. Hindi mo na matansya kung saan nababagsak eh. Se powering up on the serve. Free ball for UP. Combination. Touch on the net. On UE, it seems. Hindi ang Tawis. So a couple of easy points here for UE. There's a clear touch on the net. Nebrida had to readjust. The set was a little too far to the left.
Too strong and far, kaya tendency was to really hit the antenna.
O kinaliwanan ni Nebrida eh. And hindi pa rin niya inabot. So on a bit of a run here are the Lady Maroons. 16 serving 21. If I'm not mistaken, a 3-point run already. Back set, Dawis. Yes. Again, the holes in UP's defense being exposed by the UE offense. Southland Ramos on the attack. Sangkay had to run after that kasi tumalbog yung bola on the other side of the court.
She couldn't reach for it. Nabuhay ang UP. I mean, it was a big deficit earlier, but courtesy of that good service kanina ni Se, no, they were able to keep the gap a little bit close, although they're still down.
Biggest deficit for UP was, if I'm not mistaken, around 7 points. Pero humahabol sila ngayon, but UE with a quick point there. 6-point cushion para sa UE. Sorry, Ann?
Well, for the Lady Warriors, I was about to say, no, that this performance here in the first set, mukha talagang pinaghandaan nila itong game na to going up against UE. Their game is still very fresh.
That's true.
What had happened last week.
They seem more prepared now and over the holiday hangover. Kasi parang meron pa sila nung nagsimula yung nung Sunday last week. But right now it seems they're all business here today. (18 serving 23, a 5-point deficit against UP. Another solid serve coming from Southland Ramos.
With the help of the net.
There's a timeout called by Coach Boy Dalistan. We'll listen in to UE this time.
Atrasan kayo ng atrasan eh. Hindi naman napakaano ng bola nila eh. Puro short ball nga binibigyan nilang service sa atin eh. Atras kayo ng atras. Kumuha tayo ng bola, kunin natin yan, last ball natin yan eh. Isang isip lang na maganda now, para maka-play tayo. Ikaw naman, Lucet, pag lumipat sa atin ng bola, umatras ka, umiista ka doon sa harapan, kinokoberan mo yung center natin eh. Kaya pang habulin, naiipit mo. Come on, let's go! Kuha tayo!
Pray for us. Pray for us. Hey, ladies! Warriors fight!
A situational timeout for Coach Boy Dalistan. Not really set up to produce a good play, just trying to hold the momentum and try and spark up itong UE Lady Warriors. You look at the Tigresses, already suited up.
Waiting for their turn, of course.
Yeah.
We're going to see them right after this match.
That's against Ateneo. Wow, trying to duplicate the very last serve. Southland Ramos trying to get lucky, but unfortunately not. Now it's set point for UE. Nice serve from Chiesa Nebrida. Here comes Araneta. Araneta plays setter. Enido.
Oh,
Nice hit by Del Mundo.
Diesel holding on here in the first set.
UP is within 4. They save 1 set point so far. Oh, solid hit from Sarina Bulan. As UE finishes set number 1, 25-20 against UP. They're up 1-0 in the first game of your Sunday doubleheader.